Do you know our institute was established in the year 1991?
Ranked among one of the best B schools in India.
More than 4,000 students apply every year. Out of them, only 180 gets an opportunity to study here.
Every year, more than 80 companies visit our campus for recruitment.
The institute has 2 campuses, one in Harihar and the other in Pune.
Welcome to Kirloskar Institute of Advanced Management Studies, KIAMS, a part of one of the nation's largest industrial conglomerates, the Kirloskar Group of companies. Kirloskar Institute was established with a vision to provide the society a center of learning that excels in management education, research, training, and consultancy. An institute that stands to transform the latent potential into possibility that positively influences the world and leaves a legacy to be followed.
The right kind of education can be truly transformational. It is the right academic environment with the right mix of teaching, learning, experimenting and challenging brings the best to the fore. I chose Kirloskar Institute and it has helped me to prepare to work across geographies, across business domains and fully prepare for an ever-changing dynamic environment. It has been life-transforming.
The world-class campus, facilities coupled with industry-experienced faculties is its USP. At KIAMS, you can be rest assured that your life and career is in the right hand that will shape you for success.
The Industry Institute interaction is strongly focused at KIAMS. Students are constantly kept in tune with the current trends in the business world.
The biggest advantage is that the institute is a part of Kirloskar Group of companies, wherein the top management and senior executive comes and share their experiences.
I had a dream. Dedicated and competent faculty in the campus helped me nurture those dreams. The lush green campus just enhanced the whole learning experience I have had.
KIAMS gave me the right launchpad to pursue my dreams with the passion that I was looking for. It ultimately culminated in getting the right job in the right industry, which was none other than management consulting.
KIAMS has played an immense role in shaping me as a person. There is a tremendous experience in the system that helps one to groom as a thought leader. It was my dream to be an entrepreneur, and KIAMS helped me to realize it. I owe my life to KIAMS.
The residential facilities at our campus are world-class. I mean, the best is always at your disposal, and you're assured of the fact that you're being cut out for the best.
The culture of a campus prepares you for the best of the business world. You are not just preparing for exams and certificates. You prepare for what life has in store for you.
A culture that expects the best from you. A culture that challenges you to challenge your own limits. A culture that stretches you out of your comfort zone. That's what I have got at KIAMS, and that has all made the difference.
Kirloskar Institute of Advanced Management Studies. Education, inspiration, and precision for transformation.